Kasukal Mikaya kasam pisa live kendai Klur kan nyolak rupso hajar caki pundu Tylli ki sports association hakajela nakabenta bakin penkrek ban yasimenta hak national game ke balai kendai ke banlong hau hajar apunyo. Kami kaya akan pediang yang di kampung national game ke banlong hau tayu snem. Ia kena izin yang sampisa la penlong state convention sentral mentakas ngi ka apsau tarik jeliu ajalapsan. Kani kijing sampisa da kasoka jela akan tupru ya kami kaya state Olympic Association. Kani kipisa kalong nam taban pentebit ban penbiang ban pelut ya kinong Ialehkai ki ban yasim menta hani kelempong Ialehkai ke bahak tam hakari. Hakasin banengkong hakari ba kasoka kan ai bisa baik sak haki sport association nam da kani kijing temu laong mutilang ba kajela konrat kisang ma. Kani bisa kan long ban seu ya ki coach ban titiar ban pelong ya kijing Yakob Ialehkai ban wat ya kinong Ialehkai ban sap bat kiwe ban kenteu ya kinong Ialehkai ukon rat loong ba kejela kadai ban bu thong ban Khur Takma om Duna ya kasan pau Tylli Takma na kani kelempong hakani sengi la don lang do Menteri Ketenaga Ialehkai ba Syaklia Wajri working president ka MSOA ba John F Kaching bat kiwai pan hakajuk kepor la airu ya kasamla Refines Wajri silak na mtaka job jongka ban kiu ya ulum mangkasyang hakerta kepadang arpaus nem umtirang ba ala benar bon ai sa sanlang tengka naka chief minister special grant
the associations to the national level and even maybe at the Olympic the associations to
So just to share with you that close to about 1900 crores of projects today are being implemented in sports infrastructure as we speak. And that's something that has never ever happened in the history of our state. In fact, if you look at the artificial turfs for football that are coming up, we'll be having close to 50 artificial turfs throughout the state. That is the largest number any state has in the country. We are very happy, and I do take this opportunity to thank the Indian Olympic Association, the chairperson, Madam P.T. Usha, and of course our Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, and our respected Sports Minister for having given the opportunity to Meghalaya to host the 39th National Games. I also would like to mention to you that today's program is something that's very special and very, very unique. And I'm sure that others have said it before, but I want to repeat it again so that you realize how important this decision that we're taking is. We are today here to tell you that we are going to be giving the funds to you, to the associations. Let me tell you, not to point fingers at any other state government or the past games, but in the past games, the governments would, spend the money to buy the equipment and then give the equipment to the associations. The government would then get the coaches and give the coaches to the associations and pay for the coaches. Maybe this is the first time in the history of the country that a state government is actually going to give the funds to the associations. And we are going to be making you part of the decision making, because we realize that you know best. You know what you need.
Doing a unified check. Today we're showing it, and then of course each association will get part of that amount. So therefore this is the total amount that we're releasing today, and different associations as per their requirement, as per the demands they put in, as per the assessments done by the department as well as the associations. Each of the associations will get a separate check.
And we wish all. Thank the government of Meghalaya for this wonderful grant for the team preparation.
Okay.